Introducing the Giesen W30A Pro. Roast up to 120 kilograms of coffee per hour with state-of-the-art technology, ensuring top-notch quality without compromising on efficiency. The main feature of this roaster is that the W30A Pro can be controlled automatically. Now you can control your entire roasting process directly from the Giesen Profiler. The Giesen Profiler is invented to record your roasting sessions and to repeat profiles automatically. It helps you keep track of all your roasting sessions and lets you export and edit them. Automate your coffee transport with the green coffee conveyor and the de-stoner and enjoy a seamless roasting experience. At Giesen, we believe in blending quality with functionality, and the W30A Pro is the perfect example.